Hello everyone and welcome back to my Gentry build, and I'm hot, sweaty and tired, but 100% full of satisfaction. I've had a cracking 2-3 days on doing the engine, painting it, assembling it, and it's gone really well, so good. Now what you see at the moment here is all dry fit, because what I wanted to do, I was getting a bit fed up with ordering stuff and then finding there was a gasket missing or something like that. So I've assembled this as far as I can on the engine stand with all the gaskets in place, nuts, bolts, everything, but it's all just dry assembled. So tomorrow I will be stripping this all down and assembling it again properly with all the gaskets sealed where necessary, bolted down, torqued down, and the head on properly, because the head's not even on properly yet. I've got the alternator on to strip it out. I've got everything on there. So all I need to do is tomorrow strip it right down to its bare block, and I will put the block in the chassis and I will assemble this in the chassis, because the reason being, I found that when I was torquing down bolts which were probably 55 pounds or more, I wasn't getting a good purchase on it. So I thought if I put it in the car, then it will be a much better position for me to be able to really torque them down properly. So what I've got, I can't turn this over because the exhaust hits the framework of the stand, so I'll turn the whole lot round. So you can see I've got the exhaust, inlet manifold, water pump, fan, alternator, front pulley, everything. And it's not going to be that difficult to take this all apart, because a lot of these are not even spanned down, they're just hand tight. So it's not going to take very long for me to strip all this off, put the block in the chassis, and then assemble it all properly, which I hope to do tomorrow. Now, this afternoon, or today really, I've concentrated on the clutch, flywheel, bell housing and clutch slave cylinder, thrust bearing, operating system. So I know that all I've got to do is the gearbox, clean that up and paint it, and then I can put the bell housing on, clutch on the flywheel, or put the flywheel on, then the clutch, and then bolt the whole assembly, the gearbox and the bell housing, to the back end of this engine. That's probably about a 2 days work, I think. So the only thing missing will be the carburetors. I've still got to overhaul those. But everything what you see here will hopefully, plus the engine, the gearbox and bell housing, clutch, flywheel, that will all be mounted and in the car for the end of business, I hope, Saturday. That's my plan. So I'm going to have a break. I'm knackered, but it's a nice knackered, if you know what I mean. I can see the end results now, and it's really coming well. I'll show you around the other side. Bear with me a second. How's that looking? Let's have a look. What can you see? Well, let me zoom in a bit. So on this side, well, now you can see new rocker box cover. So this is a polished aluminium, which has got fluting on the top, and I shall accent the ribs underneath, not on the top but the bit underneath. I will accent that in red to match the engine, so we'll have red striping on the inside of it, so that if I polish this I'm not going to affect the paint. I'm not rubbing that off. Water pump, fan which I've sprayed red, new alternator, new oil pump, overhauled fuel pump. This has not been overhauled, the distributor. I'm just going to clean it up and check the points, and then that's going to be it for now. As long as I can get a spark from that, then that's all I'm happy with, because then I should be taking that out and putting a true electronic ignition distributor in it. But for the first start up, I just want that to work. It's the front. And I'm going to do the timing chain when it's in the car. I can do that more accurately then than when it's on the stand. For me, anyway. So that's about it for the moment. I will endeavour to put a video up tomorrow evening or Saturday, depending on when I finish and it's in the car. I should pop this one up now just to give you a quick overview of what I've been doing and the plans for the next day or so. Over there I've got the clutch and bell housing. That's all finished and assembled. So yeah, all looking good and very, very happy. So my schedule for getting this into the car for the weekend is pretty much bang on. We shall see how it goes tomorrow. Okay folks, so take care, and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye for now. Bye.